am here for networking. They told me that what an amazing conference this is. And, how can I say no to coming here and meeting with my clients? Everyone is on the cusp of wanting to learn more about the convergence of OT and IT. And I am here to help my customers through that journey.
I'm really happy to be here. It's my first time. And this venue is great for connecting with clients we're currently doing business with, partners we're hoping to expand some of our relationships with, and as a systems integrator, it provides a lot of great tracks, both for our cybersecurity and some of the AI that we're looking at internally and to help our clients with.
The people that come to ARC Forum are awesome. They're excited to be here. They're excited about technology. So you've got some of the most innovative folks from some of the biggest Fortune 500 companies together under one roof to share their stories.
So overall, there's a lot of great sessions I'm really excited to be a part of and ask questions from industry leaders on, and take some of that information back and share it with my colleagues internally.
And so all of these different technologies are coming together in the industrial market. And I think there's no better place than the ARC Advisory Forum to learn about them and to experience and to learn from colleagues in the industry.
Well, I'm here to see the latest in artificial intelligence and machine learning and see what the industry trend is all about.
It helps me keep excited for the rest of the year. When I go from here, I always have a few things in mind that I want to do something new for this year, and that's the biggest thing for me.
Well, ARC gives me a guidance of where to go and where our market is and how we should approach it.
It's a one-stop shop where you can come gain the insights on what's going on in industrial IoT, digitalization efforts across a myriad of different industries. Fantastic content. I mean, you're getting updates from a whole bunch of different technology sectors.
I think it's a great place for us to learn together and see how we can solve our customer problems.
We are trying to tap up on this human capital by being here and talk about this to the right context with the right mindset of people.
Everyone has such valuable insights about their different industries that they're in and what we can work together as an ecosystem to provide together.
Our company's at ARC Industrial Forum this year because we see ARC as one of the leading analyst firms in this space for capturing the convergence of the industrial AI landscape with the traditional closed-loop process control and automation technology, and that's where we play, and we're excited to be here.
We were able to share what we have and also see what's out there.
We are here because ARC is the best place to be as a network to do in our company. It's the best strategy ever.